Today we are at the Belmont Community Center, Gillingham Avenue in Belmont, conducting a series of parenting workshops. We are very happy with our turnout over the last 2 days. We were here Wednesday and tonight. The topics that we've covered include sex education, balancing work and family life. We even spoke about safeguarding of children as well as child sexual abuse and parenting in the 21st century.
Well, I found out about the workshop through my son's school PTA group chat. That's how I found out about it. It was a nice experience. It was very interactive, hearing other people's opinions about parenting, apart from my own. I learned how to better communicate. Sometimes we might feel always the right way. I mean, there's a right and a wrong way to do everything, and sometimes you might feel always the right way, but the workshop taught me how to better communicate with my children. I would definitely tell them to try their best to attend. Yeah, I mean, it's always good to hear from other people, what they might be going through and, what might be a better approach, to certain matters. So I think it's a very good workshop.
I was surprised. I didn't think it would have been so informative and so easy to communicate with everybody in the workshop. I have learned that not everything involves licks. I've learned that as a parent, we need to find methods to step back, breathe, and gather ourselves in order to deal with our children, because what we do is what we teach them to react to. It is informative, and if they have another session and they invite me again, I'll be here, because they could never stop learning something. You may have been here for the entire 2 sessions today, but there may have been something that you may have missed. So coming again, you could fine-tune whatever you have learned already, and you may also learn something new.
I want to encourage all the parents around the country to attend our parenting workshops. We are rolling out in areas like Upper Laventil, Lower Laventil, Mover, Enterprise. We'll even be in Pinal Superior. Stay tuned to our social media pages of the Ministry of Social Development and Family Services and check out our ads.